Okay guys, so welcome to Cove, Ireland. Ito po yung last port ng Titanic bago sila lumubog when they are heading to New York during the time. At nakikita nyo po yung background ko. So mamaya papasyalan natin yan. Okay, mamaya after my shift papasyalan ho natin yan. At titingnan natin yung napakagandang lugar nila. Okay, last port of Titanic again before they sink. Okay, go with you.
Buddies Informative will show you. Babalikan ng Buddies Informative at aalamin kung ano ang pangyayari bago lumubog ang Titanic. This channel spend a lot of time, effort, and dedication so that the viewers can enjoy each and every detail of this information. Magkakaroon din tayo ng interview sa isa sa mga naval officers nila dito sa Ireland, which is now working as a private employee sa pier kung saan kami dumaong, para maibahagi sa ating mga manonood yung tunay na information, yung information na hindi pa natin alam at ngayon pa lang natin malalaman. Guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Buddies Informative, and introduce to your friends and loved ones. Dahil dito sa Buddies Informative, makaka-travel kayo all over the world without buying any tickets or getting any visas. Alright? Manood na kayo na manood ng Buddies Informative ay para na kayong nakarating doon mismo sa lugar kung saan yung gustong pumunta. At mamaya, huwag niyong palampasin yung interview po, okay, dito sa ating retired naval officer. At magkakaroon din tayo ng chance na mag-ikot-ikot dito sa kanilang city center. A very good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, and I am here with a former naval officer of Ireland, Sir Michael. What an interesting question is Titanic came here in this dock or not? He will find out. We will find out, and he will answer all those questions. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Can you tell us about
Alex? Yeah, a lot of people think that the Titanic actually came alongside in Cove, but this is not true. Like the ship actually anchored in Ringabella Bay just outside the harbour, and the tenders came into Cove and collected the passengers and brought them out to the ship.
Okay, so it was the tenders.
The tenders, yes.
And the Titanic anchor outside the
outside the harbour in Ringabella Bay. Yeah.
Oh yes, that's an interesting information.
Yeah.
Thank you. And where is it located, sir? Down there?
Yeah. The White Star Lines are just down the town here on your right hand side, and we have two piers as well.
Yeah.
Where the tenders came in.
Okay, so it's there.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for that information, sir. So, gaya ng promise ko kanina sa inyo, lalabas ako after my shift. Okay? So, I will go around this beautiful city of Cove, Ireland, at pupuntahan natin yung spot kung saan kuan yung Titanic. Nagdaong yung mga tender nila. Alright? Okay guys, so as I promised to you, pupuntahan natin yung place o yung lugar kung saan mismo dumaong yung mga tender. Yung ibig sabihin ng tender sa layman's term ng Filipino is mga bote. Okay? So, yun yung parang mga lifeboat nila before. Okay, so ang Titanic is nandoon doon sa labas nag-angkorahe. Okay? At what happened is yung kanilang mga tender boats or kanilang mga lifeboat, yun yung pumupunta dito sa pier. This pier, this old pier. Ito na lang yung alaala since 1912, okay? Ng pagdaong ng Titanic dito. Okay? Ng tender ng Titanic, which is nakaangkorahe doon sa labas yung Titanic ship mismo before they go to New York, at saka yun nga yung disaster na nangyari sa kanila during that time. So guys, ito po yung tender pier, last 2012, 1912, I mean 1912, okay, or 100 more years ago. So dito, bakas ng alaala ng Titanic. Isang karangalan ang mapunta dito at mapadpad sa lugar na to. Yung masilayan ko mismo, up close and personal, yung pinanggalingan ng mga pasahero ng Titanic before they sail, at nung nagkaroon sila ng trahedya doon sa nung sila ay underway papunta ng New York. So guys, yeah, dati sa movie ko lang napapanood yung movie ng Titanic, but now up close and personal at nakita ko mismo. This is it. Nakita ko mismo kung, can you imagine during that time, 1912, kung gaano ka-elegante yung mga naglalakad dyan, gaano sila ka-excited papunta ng New York. And then after all, yun nga ang nangyari. Sa kalagitnaan ng kanilang journey ay medyo minalas at lumubog ang kanilang sinasakyang Titanic. Okay, I hope that you viewers have got some more information regarding this vlog, at keep following us, and marami pa tayong matututunan dito sa Buddies Informative. Another information is the Spoik Island. Can you tell us the Spoik Island? What is Spoik Island means?
Spoik Island is Ireland's Alcatraz. People were shipped from Spoik Island to Australia in the penal times on ships, and that's how they colonized Australia. A lot of Irish people ended up in
Okay.
Australia, and they were imprisoned in Spoik Island.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
What a nice, very informative information with the Spoik Island, sir.
Yeah.
So, thank you for that wonderful information, sir.
Okay, Alex.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, so I'm here on top of the overlooking dito banda sa may church, at if you can see across the sea, yun yung tinatawag na Spoik Island. Yun yung naging kulungan dati, naging prisoner ng mga naging prisoner before. Doon sila kinukulong sa Spoik Island na yun. At across the sea, okay, yung island doon, that's what they call the Spoik Island, which is yun yung in-explain kanina ng ating retired Navy officer na si Sir Mike. Ang sabi niya kanina sa atin, even small mistake, magnahaw ka lang naman sanas ay kukulong ka na doon. So ganun ka-brutal before, during the time na talagang sobrang hirap dito sa Ireland, dito sa Cove Island. So guys, ito yung hotel, no? Before, dito nag-check-in yung mga guests ng Titanic, yung mga pasahero nila. At bago sila board doon sa barko ng Titanic. Okay, so piece of history at ano lang ang bakas ng mga nakaraan. Okay guys, so as you can see, ito yung hotel kung saan nag-check-in dati yung mga pasahero ng Titanic. Dito sila nag-check-in sa hotel na to. At bakas sa mga bintana ng hotel na yan, yung alaala, the memories of the past. Okay, so ganyan nila pinahalagahan at preserve itong. As we go on along the way, I will feature now the beautiful artmanship and the beautiful architecture of this Irish people dito sa downtown nila. So guys, sit back and relax and enjoy the city. Okay guys, so itatry din natin pumasok dito sa church ng Cove, Ireland. At kung makikita nyo po yung kanilang tawag nito, Archman craft, talagang napakagaganda. Talagang pasokin natin sa loob. We'll see, we'll find out kung anong meron dito. Let's go. So may net sila para hindi makapasok yung
Ibon.
mga birds. Okay ka. Let's go. Ay, meron. English mo pero siguro. Ano to? Ito. Okay. So between church sila dito. First time natin magsimba dito sa Cove, dito sa Ireland. So guys, first time ko makasimba dito sa simbahan ng Cove, Ireland. At talaga namang sobrang thankful at sobrang blessed na narating itong lugar na to. Dahil itong simbahan na to, yung sinimbahan o pinuntahan ng ibang mga pasahero ng Titanic when the tragedy happened after nilang set sail sa Cove, Ireland, sana papunta ng New York. So yung iba sa kanila dito mismo sa simbahan ko nagsimba at isang malaking karangalan at thankful talaga ako na marating ang lugar na to at makapag-pray ng mataimtim para i-bless tayo ng ating Creator. Thank you. Guys, salamat sa inyong pagsama dito sa journey ko sa Cove, Ireland, ang last port ng Titanic. Okay, bago sila magkaroon ng trahedya. So, sana ay inyong naibigan ang episode na ito at sa napakagandang view, scenic view ng Cove, Ireland. See you!